Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your ThriveCart account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Google Sheets to your ThriveCart? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Google Sheets to ThriveCart anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to build your list, and by connecting your Google Sheets to your ThriveCart, when someone purchases your product, you can add them into a Google Sheet. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ThriveCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my ThriveCart, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to connect your Google Sheets to ThriveCart, click on the power button here on the top right. Once you do that, click on integrations. Once you click there, you're going to scroll down to the bottom and look for the Google Sheets logo. Click on integrate now. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this turquoise button, authorize with Google Sheet. Okay, next Google's going to open up the browser. So go ahead and choose the account you want to connect your Google Sheet and ThriveCart with. All right, once you do that, Google's going to ask if you're okay with Google sharing with ThriveCart your name, email, and profile picture. If so, click on continue. Okay, next you need to set up the permissions. So I'm going to go ahead and click here and then click on continue. Okay, now you can see my Google Sheet is connected to my ThriveCart. So I can go into each and every product and set up an automation. That way, when the product is purchased, they'll be added into a Google Sheet. So up here on the top, click on these horizontal lines. To do that, go ahead and scroll down to the product that you want to connect your Google Sheets to. So for example, this one right here, and click on edit. Once you click on edit, you're going to see these four options here at the top, and you want to click on automation. Once you click on automation, click on add rule. Okay, now when the rule right here is accomplished, so when the main product is purchased, when the main product is refunded, cart is abandoned, payment is declined, I'm going to do when the product is purchased. And then here we're going to choose Google Sheets. And then here we're going to go ahead and add them to a spreadsheet. So I'm going to create a new spreadsheet, and I'm going to say digital product ThriveCart purchase. That's the name of my spreadsheet, and it's going to automatically create a spreadsheet in my Google and save. Okay, so I'm going to include shipping info. Okay, I'm going to click on save. So now we have set up our automation. So that way, anytime somebody makes a purchase of this one particular product, they're going to be added into that specific spreadsheet in my Google Sheets. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your ThriveCart to your Google Sheet, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.